Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's like making a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Take action on your ideas. Doing your best means to take action. You have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon an idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 26, NASDAQ off 50, S&P's off 7.5, gold contract down $26, trading at $1,310 an ounce. Silver off 33 cents at $19.97 an ounce. Platinum off 6 at $1,428 an ounce. Oil flat at $99.35. Copper off a penny at $2.98 a pound. Bonds, you have the 10-year flat at 123.14. 30-year up 17 ticks at 133.06. King dollar down 211 ticks, trading out at 80.05. The euro up 47 at 138, and the yen flat at 102.17. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We got a cash S&P laying out here at 1860. We did volume out here of 642 million, and we're gunning for the low of March 14th, which is the 1839. We got to 1849 today. Bottom line, you're building cars, you're getting down there, and you get juice on the way down. The actual benchmark on this move, folks, is the 5th of February. That 5th of February is 1737.92. If we go over to the SPY and you want to see the correlation inside the SPY, this is what you have. SPY out here today, we did 118 million shares. You're going into the swing point that had 153 million. Now, what you did with the SPY, the swing point is 184.44. We got to 184.62. That is saying, number one, the SPY is going to wake up in the morning and have plenty of energy, and she's going to go after that swing point. NASDAQ, we take a look at the Dow next. If we take a look at the Dow Industrials, what you have with the Dow, sideways moving the Dow, down 26 bucks, big deal. Really a sideways move. The Dow Industrials had topped out the 31st of December. Dow can't get anywhere. NASDAQ Composite. Composite, big numbers. Can you say ABC structure on the way down, folks? Because that's what you have. The ABC structures on the way down are all over the place in the NASDAQ. We blew away the swing point out here today, blew it away with volume. We're down 50 bucks. We are at 4226. That also gets you inside the lower range, meaning that the composite is going to go after 3968. The NDX 100, that baby got toasted, roasted, all of the above. She did 73 million shares. You talk about taking out a swing point. The swing point had 38 million shares. Just blew it away. And you got to remember something. That's after making highs with 24 million and then testing the high up there with 31 million. Takes it out in spades. What we have here is that the Qs right now are at 88.22. She's going after 83. So it's another 5 points down just for that benchmark down there. Gold contract. They're taking everything south, baby. We take a look at gold. This is what you have with gold. 168,000 contracts. Let me see. This is going to be close. This is close to an ABC down. Now, she didn't do an ABC down because she would have had to do more than 195,000 contracts. But yeah, the gold contract right now is at 1310. And I expect this baby's going to get all the way back to this probably 1250, 1240 mark. It's going to be a good retracement. The equities are coming back. We look at the XAU next. XAU right now, she was down 459. She's at 93.92. I suspect she's going to get all the way back to this 89.69 area. We look at the HUI. HUI right now came down $8 today. And she's going to get back to this 213.36. And those numbers, by the way, folks, that's what they want to go back to. But what you're going to need simultaneously is a contraction of volume as you get into that space. Bond market. We go to the 10-year first. We take a look at the 10-year. 10-year bond out here was flat today. What the 10-year bond did is what it had to do, okay? The 10-year bond got into the downdraft that was created last Wednesday. Rejected it. That's crucial for that 10-year to go higher. This is what we did. Last Wednesday, when the Fed came out with the announcement, the bonds market got smoked. We had the 10-year go from 124.19 down to 123.05. We did volume there of 1.7 million. Today, finally got into that area with 1.1. Rejected it, closed inside the range. 10 years going all the way back to this 125.06. I suspect she's going to get to the 130 mark. Now, the 30-year never broke the swing point. The 30-year is showing how strong it is. The 30-year right now is at 133.06. The top of this range on the 30-year is at 133.14. This 30-year, it's going to be pretty wild watching this whole thing shake out. The 30-year right now wants to run up to the 141 mark. And you remember something, the 141 mark, folks, was where the breakdown, the larger breakdown occurred. Here, we'll bring it up so you can see how this shakes out. So when I take the 30-year, I'm going to bring this back on a 10-year basis so you can see when the breakdown happened. So the lowest interest rates we had in the 30-year was the month of July of 2012. We went sideways for approximately 8 months after that, and then the bond market got taken apart. We went from 143 to 133 in June of 2013. That's what we're going back up to right now. And how we get up, there's one thing getting up there. The real key is going to be once you get up there, are you going to break through that area and build some cause? Right now, the downtrend has not been broken in the bond market since 1981. Okay? So when you hear that the bonds are history, well, bottom line, guess what? The trend hasn't broken since September of 1981. And it's not even, at this point, that pullback, by the way, in the bond market, it never got back to the area where it had the huge amount of strength. The area I'm specifically talking about is from September of 2011. That's when the interest rates went down dramatically. We went from 122 to 147, the bond market. On this retracement, we only came back to 127. That's saying, guess what? Bonds are strong. Bonds are going higher. Rates are coming down. We got to take a look at the King Dollar. Good old King Dollar, folks. DXM4. So, King Dollar last week, wide price spread, accelerated volume. What we had out here today, we had some nice volatility in King Dollar. King Dollar came down at, 1330, 1350. That's what gave the market some relief. Bottom line, though, guess what? All you were doing was coming back into the expansion on the upward side, which was on the 19th of March. King Dollar right now is at a price point of 80.06. She is basically going to go to the other side of her consolidation. That other side of the consolidation is 81.50. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Now, let's go to the world of the Nasdaq stocks, because I'm telling you something. This is a trip. Priceline, PCLN. What do you have? PCLN today comes down $40. 1.4 million, blows the swing point away, which was 866,000. So what you have here is this. You get an A point up there of 1378. You get the B point of 1267. So what's that, $110? That gives you 1205. That's where we're going to. That's just a one-to-one ABC structure on the way down, by the way. Amazon, AMZN, what you have with Amazon. Amazon comes down today. She comes down $8, 4 million shares. Now this is a very large ABC structure on the way down. The B point on this is 340.10. Volume is 10 million. So what Amazon had done is this. Amazon came down hard January 30th through February 3rd. January 3rd, it was trading at 406. By February 3rd, it was at 340. So 63 points in 4 days. Had a counter trend bounce with no volume going all the way up, tries to fill the gap. Guess what? Comes all the way back down. She's going to try to blow away this gap. We'll see whether she does it tomorrow or the next day. Bottom line, she's going to be going after this gap. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. We had the Dow finished down 26. NASDAQ off 50. S&P's up 7.5. We're going to be right back.
Bye.